Gentlemen, I think a fight's about to break out.
The following contest is a four-man battle royal. Making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 224 pounds, the best, Max Jacob Freeman.
Oh, the swagger, the boasting, the downright arrogance of this athlete. Honestly, it's more than I can bear.
Good. Feel free to excuse yourself at any time. I'll be here to celebrate their well-earned appreciation of themselves. He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
WWE's resident superhero.
Yeah, here to get rid of all the evildoers in WWE.
And his opponents, first, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Not to be taken lightly.
Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that?
Does this guy really think he's a superhero?
Of course he does, Michael, but more importantly, the WWE Universe believes in him. And so do I.
And from Ohio, weighing in at 167 pounds, Buddy.
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
That's right.
A man who elevates his game every week. He is competing at his highest level yet.
Things are about to get good.
And representing Too Cool, from Washington, weighing in at 191 pounds, Mr. O'Boomer.
I have no idea what is wrong with the WWE Universe. Why are they booing? Don't they value loyalty? Don't they value honor?
Well, this superstar is the personification of loyal to a fault. They don't question these awful allegiances following bad orders.
Have you seen their successes, Byron? Their accolades? You've never won a championship. Why bite the hand that feeds?
Royal rules here. Last superstar remaining in the ring is your winner.
Attacks from all angles, temporary alliances, and unexpected action from bell to bell. You gotta love a Battle Royal.
Stiff kick.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Boom, what a kick. Oh, rapid fire. Well-placed kick. Knife-edge chop echoing through the arena. Vicious, aggressive attacks.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Michinoku driver. Oh, what a kick. Brutality.
Oh, right in there.
From the ground up.
Oh, what a suplex. This match grinded him down a little. Devastating kick.
The Hurricane keeps him away.
Back and forth from these competitors.
Looks like an elimination is underway. Drops the leg.
And cheers.
Shoots the half.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Hooked up.
Great power.
Inverted suplex.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Yeah.
Up and down. What a slam.
Boom, right in the button. Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Big time atomic drop.
That'll have you walking funny.
Oof, kick finds it. It's that time.
Big punch finds its mark.
Waist lock.
Flags.
He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
is he?
yeah.
There's a fisherman suplex.
He's absorbed some damage already.
Uh-oh, this is not going to end well.
Can he do it here?
It'll take more than that to hold him down.
Oh, that can rock you. Great reversal. Uh-oh. What an elbow drop.
Oh, yeah. Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence.
Sit-up jawbreaker.
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
A well-timed dodge.
Look at this, going counter for counter.
Ooh, rocking the jaw. Powerless position to be in right now.
Can't prepare your face for that.
Oh, look at the afterglow.
Afterglow combo.
Rear view. He just created a prime opportunity.
Just being pushed around.
Yeah, he has really hit a brick wall here.
He is just reeling from that offense.
Yeah, but at this point in Battle Royal, you're starting to think about the end.
Flatline. Man, face first.
Setting him up for the...
Down face first.
And he's just having his way in this match.
No need to maintain that aggression. Can't quite get him there. Punch!
Caught with a punch.
Foot to the gut. Punch right in the head. He saw it coming, taking advantage.
Punch connects.
He's certainly lining him up, but he's wasting too much time.
Oh, man, right to the esophagus.
You ready to count, Byron?
Here we go.
With the counter.
Wasting absolutely no respect on his opponent. You gotta love it.
We could have an elimination here. Knee right to the gut.
Hooked up.
Great power. Inverted suplex. suplex, perfect.
Catches a punch.
They can just punch him in the chest. Getting set up for something in the corner. Gets him with the counter.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
And another counter. Hurricane Rana.
And now he's giving you all another chance to simply take it all in.
Oh, no. On a reverse DDT. The end may be in sight for his opponent here.
Might want to walk it off or shake it off or do whatever he needs to do to get his head in the game here.
Half Nelson applied. Into a neck breaker. Phenomenal.
Here it comes. Special delivery. Attitude adjustment. But can they turn that into a win?
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. Oh, right to the throat.
Could be looking for the exploder here.
A competitor has been eliminated.
Thanks for coming.
And he gets put into a bad spot there.
This situation is not where he wanted to be.
Systematic attack on that shoulder.
Dodges the attack just a smidge quicker.
Nice calf kick. Great elevation.
And he sends him into the corner.
Oh, this could be the end here.
Bad predicament right here. A possible elimination in progress.
Here is your winner, the best, Max Jacob Friedman.
What an amazing match, especially for our winner.
Pulling out all the stops in this fatal four-way.
Truly against all odds, managing to squeeze out the victory.